Text analytics really is a platform technology. It can be used to build lots of different applications. Gen AI provides a general answer, like the first draft, or it provides a recall step for, say, a search engine. Deep text and dynamic text are mutually enriching technologies. Taxonomies versus dynamic clustering, put them together, you get better results. There's a lot of different ways to do text analytics. I'm Tom Ramey, author of Deep Text. KAPS Group is a network company. It's basically me and a network of consultants. I typically will get 2-3 consultants for a project and put a team together. It's also a network of partners. We partner with a number of companies, Luminoso being one, but we also partner with a number of other text analytics software companies. We provide professional services for them. But also one of the other reasons is that we help companies decide what text analytics software to buy. And so by being a partner with a whole bunch of different companies, we're not being prejudiced, we're not biased towards one or the other, but rather find the right fit. We also do application development. We develop the components for text analytics, taxonomies, knowledge graphs, and so forth. We also do professional services for a company. If they don't have the people that can maintain these systems, we maintain them. One of our focus is building the foundation for a variety of applications. What we've been working with is, in essence, a semi-automatic content creation. You combine auto-categorization with human curation. As we build these semantic rules, go in, categorize all their content, get rid of the bad content, get rid of the bad parts of the content, and come up with a good set. And the basic model is that Gen AI provides a general answer, like a first draft, or it provides a recall step for, say, a search engine. Then the text analytics analyzes that and adds precision to the output.